Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share a nail drill I was asked to review from Amazon and from an Amazon seller. So it came in the Amazon package and then it was in this package sealed that I've cut open. And so here it is, electric nail drill. It says it has a forward direction, reverse direction, low noise, low vibration. I forget what color I got. There you go. That rose color. But let me pull it out so you can see how it's packaged. I'm going to zoom in on it. Here we go. So it does come with the drill itself, and it does have a USB plug that you are able to use, so you're able to take it on the go as long as there's a USB port you can use. There are some mechanics on this toggle, which is probably the speed and on and off. It does come with a few, I don't know, for lack of better words, drill bits. Let's see how this pops open. I was gonna try to fix, yeah, so it just lifts up. I was trying a little too hard. There's the different bits, and there's the different sandpaper it comes with. They also send you some extra sandpaper. And then there's also these bits. I think these are to buff, for buffering. But those 5 bits there. So you get a total of 11 bits, I believe. Yep, 11 bits. The drill, and then some of the sandpapers and the power cord. So that is the share. I don't do my nails, so it's not like I can test them on my nails, but let me see. We can see the low noise and the vibration maybe. Sorry for cutting. I'm just trying to reach my USB. Oh yeah, so can you hear it? I'm changing the motor speed. That's the highest speed, if you can hear it. And then off. So yeah. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you for visiting today. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider liking and subscribing. For those of you joining me back here again, I appreciate you for stopping by. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.